Hi, Preston Sandlin here with Home Inspection Carolina, and today we're going to talk about changing out a Schlage keypad lock. It's actually on my house, and I'm pretty sure it needs to be changed because I'm getting some funky stuff when I put in the code. So I'll show you, except I don't want to show you my code. Hang on a second. Alrighty, let me do a number or two. And of course it works this time. Hold on a second. Anyway, it's doing some funky stuff. You get this red light. It's doing this funky stuff. The lights are kind of weird, and it'll give you a couple warnings and still let you in, but if you wait too long, you might get yourself locked out. So you can tell when your keypad starts doing funky stuff, you need to change the battery. So anyway, that's what we're going to do next. Looks like there is the battery needs to be replaced. So there's two Phillips head screwdrivers on the Schlage keypad on the other side of the door. So we're going to take out the two Phillips screws. I recommend a magnetic screw, which I do not have here, which will help you pull it out, which I do not have. There's one above and below the handle. I think the handle all comes off. I thought I was going to have to get an Allen wrench for that, but thank goodness I don't think I do. I read a little bit up on the Schlage. Fortunately, I don't think I have to reprogram it or anything. I think it's just replacing a 9-volt battery. So that's what we're going to do. All right, so there we go. Oops. And it needs to be an alkaline battery for my research. So we're going to take out the old one there. And let's put in a new one. It's actually pretty simple. Put that back in there. Sure we're all in there. All tucked in. Going out above it. Okay. Make sure that we are before you get it really tight, I would put the other one in. I would never tighten one screw all the way tight, because you might have to do a little adjusting. And then I think I've got it there. Sometimes you're just turning and turning. I'm not sure if you're actually. Yeah, I got it. Okay. And then what I do is I just sort of go back and forth. Never tighten one completely with the other one loose. Just sort of go back and forth until you get them all tight. I think we're good. Golden.